Hi, we're the Freeworld Trading Quality Control Team, and we just want to do a little interview to get you more acquainted with us and what we do here at Freeworld.
Hi, I'm Marcela. I'm from Argentina. I did there my undergraduate in nutrition, and also I've been working in a food company in consumer services. After that, I moved to Spain, where I've been working in craft foods for a year and a half. It was 2009 when I moved to Edinburgh. I was studying in Edinburgh a master's in food science, safety and health at Freeworld University. In 2012, Karen, the quality manager, was going for maternity leave, so I joined Freeworld Trading to cover her position. That year, I went with Sanjoy and some colleagues to Bolivia to see the Brazil nuts processing, and I started enjoying very much the work when I come back and knowing more about all the products. I decided to stay in the company because I started to put an input more scientific on the products, and I like how the company works with the suppliers and the customers. Now Shelby will introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Shelby, and like Marcela, I came to Freeworld as a maternity cover for our quality manager, Karen. I came about 4 months ago, so not too long. Before that, I was in the States. I did my undergrad in food science and nutrition in Washington State, so the West Coast, and then I came to Edinburgh to do a master's about a year and a half ago. I did that in education, so a little bit different from what I'm doing now. But after I finished, I came straight to Freeworld, and that's what I'm doing.
Now we are going to talk about why quality control is getting more important in the business. Actually, Freeworld Trading quality control department increasing the number of members, and that is happening because since the program from farm to fork started, all the parts along the chains are getting involved. So all the information is being in more demand. Everybody needs to know clearly all along the chain what is on the product, where the product has been, how the product was cultivated. So everybody wants to know and have control about this information.
Right. And there's also been some changes in legislation lately, so it really helps to have more people keep track of that and make sure that we're following all the guidelines and complying with everything that we need to be complying with.
Yes, exactly. All the legislation also is helping to guarantee the final consumer a safe product. So everybody is involved in guaranteeing that.
Exactly.
Every year we need to review our specifications with the suppliers, be sure that all the information is there to provide to our customers, and then the customer can provide that to the final consumer.
Exactly, because at the end of the day, that's what we're here for, is to make sure that we're giving a quality product to our customers, really.
Exactly, yeah, it's what we are aiming at Freeworld Trading. Also, every year we travel to visit some suppliers and guarantee to our customers that the conditions that they work in are suitable for our countries and our customers.
So Marcela, you mentioned earlier that the QC department is growing and there's 2 of us. So let's talk about what it's like to work with just the 2 of us in the QC department.
Yeah, I think that it's great. That allows us to have a lot of communication. Also, I feel like since you joined Freeworld, like helping you to get involved in how the industry works. Also working in this open plan office is great because we can have communication with all the traders too, with logistics department. So any situations that arise here, we can get involved on it.
Right.
Also working in a small company is, I found that I'm getting involved, I'm part of it. And all my job, I think like all my job has a result on our customers and the suppliers.
Right. And I think since there's just the 2 of us, we can form better relationships within the company, with the traders, and then we can also form better relationships with our customers and with our suppliers, and they can form relationships with us as well. Yeah, because they're always just dealing with the 2 of us, which is nice, I think.
Of course. Also, it allows us to adapt easily for any situation, either for the supplier or for the customer.
Exactly.
Okay, this is our first introduction in the quality control section. From now on, we are looking forward to get more participation in the website. Actually, we are going to start creating a new section about the products, about the risks, about the process on the product, and also we are aiming to come with more videos to teach you how to inspect the products.
We also want you to keep an eye out for more quality control information in general on the website. So we're working on uploading all of the specifications, including nutrition information and things like that, because we really want the website to be somewhere where our customers can come and find all the information that they need. So when they have a question, they know exactly where to go, and that's freeworldtrading.co.uk.